everybody. It is June 15th, 2025. Happy Father's Day, Sunday. I pray that all of your fathers are blessed and all of the fathers that are listening are blessed. We have this beautiful orb here. It's to our east. It looks like it's heading to the northeast. Send you all my unconditional love, high vibrations, and unity. If it's your will, would you please flare up or flash for the healing of Charisse and her financial situation? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you, love you, love you. Bless you, bless you, bless you. You're so beautiful. We're looking for a grand finale. Last video of the night. Oh, what was that? Look at that. What is that? What is that? Is that a craft? That's moving more like a craft. Oh, it's so fast. I can't even get a shape on it. It's like practically see-through. I don't think I have an angle on it anymore. That was a craft. Well, we got a craft. I didn't get much detail on it, but it was a craft. Let's see if it's still flying in this direction. Oh, there's Mother. Hello, Mother. Hello, Mother. I love you, Mother. Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bless you, Mother. Thank you for the grand finale. I love you. Thank you, Mother. She's flying from south to north, a little bit northwest. I wish I could zoom in more.